All right, this series is called Couponing and Cooking. So forgive this, I'm washing dishes. So in this series, I'm going to show you things that I couponed this week or previously and show you the recipe I made. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm making a breakfast casserole, and it's a biscuits and gravy casserole. So I got these at Publix this week. These were the Pillsbury biscuits. What I did was I sprayed my nonstick pan, and I got Pam a couple months ago on sale at Publix. Sprayed my nonstick pan, cut up the 8 biscuits like that. So that's the first step. And then the next step is I'm going to take a roll of Johnsonville sausage. This was not couponed. I have not been able to coupon sausage in a while. So got a roll of that Johnsonville sausage. I should have got the hot, but I got like the regular. So I'm going to pour that in with my biscuits in my pan. Put that around. So like that so far. Next step, 4 eggs scrambled up. I use Eggland's Best eggs. I don't skimp on my eggs. Eggs are so expensive, y'all. I remember like buying eggs, it'd be like 99 cents for eggs. And I think these Eggland's Best, $4 or $5. Like, how much are you paying for eggs? Let me know in the comments how much you are paying for eggs where you live. To pour the eggs over top of our meat and biscuits. Now we have a cup of milk that we're going to pour in. Just pour that on top. All right, so last week at Publix, I got this cabbage cheese. I think it was 2 for $4, I'm not sure. But we're gonna do a cup of cheese on top of that now. So far we've couponed the biscuits and the cheese. We'll add some more cheese in there. That's about it. All right, so I do not use packet gravy mix. Never used it before. I usually make my own gravy. So it's a little bit different using this packet gravy mix, but that's what the recipe calls for. And I got this packet gravy mix at Christmas time. So like things like this, seasonings, mixes, gravy, you're gonna get those more around the holidays. And this gravy mix calls for 1.5 cups of boiling water, but I'm just gonna do 1.5 cups of water. So putting the water in, we're going to stir it up. Oops. On the top of your casserole. All right. So right now, this is what our casserole looks like. And I'm going to pop a lid on it and cook it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. So I'll let you know what it turns out in just a moment.